Let's be real. Your brain is addicted. Not to drugs, not to alcohol, but to dopamine, to scrolling, to fake rewards that feel like progress, but steal your potential. If you don't break that cycle, your future is already dead. You wake up, check your phone, scroll, tap swipe. You haven't even brushed your teeth, and you've already hijacked your brain. This isn't a habit. It's programming. You're training yourself to chase quick hits instead of doing real work, to seek stimulation instead of silence, to escape instead of face. And here's the part that hurts. You're not addicted by accident. You chose this. Every scroll, every binge, every just 5 minutes was a vote for a weaker mind. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about reward, dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. And right now, you're drowning in it. Every like, every notification, every mindless scroll, you're flooding your system with junk. And the cost? Real life feels boring. So when it's time to read, build, train, focus, your brain rejects it. It whispers, "This feels awful. Give me the easy hit." You've trained your mind to hate effort. That's why you procrastinate. That's why you quit. That's why you feel empty. Listen, your habits aren't routines. They're bricks, and every brick builds your identity. Scroll all day, you're a consumer. Run from every challenge, you're soft. Delay every decision, you're unreliable. This isn't weakness, it's training. You've trained your brain on comfort, noise, and cheap rewards. Now it expects life to be a video game. But life doesn't care about your dopamine. Life rewards one thing: discipline. So, do you want to reset? Here's how. Step 1. Silence. Right now. No music, no scrolling, no distractions. Just sit, breathe, let the panic come. That's withdrawal. That's detox. Step 2. Awareness. Ask yourself, what are you running from? What pain, fear, or responsibility are you numbing when you reach for the screen? Step 3. Action. Do one hard thing. Now, push a set, read a page, send that message, meditate for 90 seconds. One act of effort tells your brain, I'm in charge. This isn't motivation. This is war. Because dopamine addiction doesn't look like rock bottom, it looks like comfort, an okay job, an okay life, and a quiet voice in your head whispering, I could have been more. You don't need therapy. You don't need another app. You need a decision, a line in the sand. The fix isn't sexy. It's silence. It's discipline. It's doing the hard, boring work. So here's your challenge. Next time your hand reaches for the phone, stop. Wait 90 seconds. Then do the thing you've been avoiding. That one decision is not small. It's a vote for the person you're becoming. And here's the brutal truth. If you can't control your brain for 90 seconds, you don't deserve the life you dream about. Take control or stay addicted. Your move.